In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Lovable.dev project to GitHub and download your code as a zip file. We'll move through the process slowly and clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. Start on your computer by opening your browser and going to Lovable.dev. Sign in so you can access your workspace. Once you're on the dashboard, locate and open the project or app you want to work with. This takes you into the project's overview, where you'll find all the controls you need. Look toward the top right area of the screen for the GitHub option. Depending on whether you've connected before, it may say GitHub or Connect to GitHub. Click that. If you're connecting for the first time, choose Connect Project. You'll be prompted to select the GitHub organization where you want the repository to live. Pick the correct organization and confirm the permissions. Make sure you have the necessary access in that organization. If you don't, ask an admin to grant you permission. Approving this connection allows Lovable to create and manage a repository for your app. Once connected, click View on GitHub. If your browser asks you to sign in to GitHub, go ahead and log in, then allow any authorization prompts so the connection completes successfully. You'll be taken to the repository that was created for your app. You should see the repository name, files, and default branches. Take a moment to confirm you're in the right place by checking the organization and repo name. Now it's time to download the code. Find the green code button near the top of the repository page and click it. In the menu that appears, choose Download Zip. Your browser will begin downloading a zip archive of the repository's current contents. This file saves to your default downloads folder. After the download finishes, you can extract the zip to a convenient location on your computer and open the project in your preferred code editor. This is especially handy if you're not using Git locally yet or you just want a quick snapshot of the code. If at any point you don't see the GitHub option in Lovable, double check that you're in the correct project and that your account has the right permissions. And if a sign-in prompt doesn't appear when expected, look for blocked pop-ups or try a quick page refresh. That's it. You've connected your Lovable.dev project to GitHub and downloaded the repository as a zip, ready to explore or share.